Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss what if we are having a Revit file locally in our system, how we can open it in Revit. So let's start. I just opened a Revit session and earlier I just created this particular Revit file, Revit project 01. That is why it is showing in my recent Revit files. So if I'll click on this one, I can directly open the Revit file. But what if you did not open the Revit file that you are having in your local drive and you wanted to try this one first time? So for that one, I'll click on open right here. This kind of dialog box will be opened and this kind of your file explorer where you can search your files in your local drive wherever it is. So right now, this is my Revit file, but for example, if you are having different path, you can go for that one. Okay, I'll click on this file and right now I'm having this open icon. I'll click on the open icon simply and my Revit file will start opening. Let it open and then we'll discuss some of the key points inside this one. On top of this, I just wanted to highlight right here, this is the process to open a Revit file locally. If you are having your Revit file in a central location, there's a different approach of opening this one. Probably in upcoming videos, we'll discuss about that one as well. So this is how we can open a Revit file. Now, how to save it again? Simply, let me move something right here. Let me change something inside this one, and I can save this file right here. File, save as project, and I can save this file again. Right now I'm not saving this file. Let's do what if you do not want to save the file with the changes. It means you want to make the file as it is. So how you can do that thing? So for that one, you can directly click right here at the cross icon. This kind of dialog box will be opened. Do you want to save changes? Click on no. It will not save your changes. So that is how you can open the file and without changing, you can exit the file as well. Thanks for guys watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.